machine. We're going to run a test without the actuators first, because when the actuators are hooked up, our servo motor is activating, which it shouldn't, because of magnetic induction. So this is our test without it. So you insert the coin, wait a bit, hit the micro switch to register that the coin's in there. Obviously you'll say make selection. So if you choose selection 1, obviously actuator 1 will come. If you please wait, it'll run again because nothing's been dispensed. And then if nothing's dispensed, it will say error and the coin will be refunded. If we do it again, the same thing, make selection. So we'll try selection 2 this time. And please wait, so this is running through its second run. So if we toggle the micro switch at the end, you can see it says thank you, and the coin goes to the collection chute. So if you want to make selections 3 and 4, insert coin. Oh.
It's not picking that way.
Sometimes the weight is varied because we've got it between, so it really depends where the coin sits on the strain gauge. Oh. No, it was working fine last night. Well, obviously, if the coin is incorrect, you can see that the servo motor does refund it.
Now it's saying insert coin.
Okay. So the weight's very touchy on it. Have you changed it?
I'll make it a bit.
We're just going to adjust the weight so we can show it running through. So if you make selections 3 and 4, because we didn't have enough ports on our board, we haven't actually connected them, but the vending machine will say out of order and to make another selection. So we have done something to back that up. Selection 5 will refund the coin, and once we connect the actuators in the motor, we'll show you the whole thing running. So if we go now, thank you.
Oh, that bottom switch.
So this bottom micro switch is very touchy, as we just saw. So we need to double check that it's not activated.
Because we put weight on it, so when the ping pong ball hits it, it's just enough to.
Okay. Okay, so selection 3, out of order, goes back to make selection, because obviously your coin's still inserted. Same again, and if I want my coin back and I don't want to use this machine, selection 5 will just refund my coin straight away. If we want to connect the actuators and motors now to show that they work, make selection. So my selection 1. So this is if a fault happened and the ball didn't actually reach the conveyor would then run again. And it should hit that micro switch then toggling, but Obviously, we just need to put a longer delay to keep the motor running for a bit longer,
The belt's also stretched.
and the coin will go to the collection chute if there's a ball. If not, same as shown before, the coin will come to the refund and you can collect your coin. If you do put a different type of coin in,
I'll change these values.
265.
265
So if I use a 5 cent,
Leave the actuators off.
I'm just going to refund. It's not going to work.
Oh, wait.
So with the weight that we had tested before, insert coin, make a different selection, incorrect coin, and the 5 cent gets stuck, but it does refund it with a 20 cent. Because the 20 cents is so similar to a $1 coin, that's why we had to keep the weight very close between the $1 coin, otherwise it would be detecting 20 cents. That was correct. So here, 20 cents is incorrect, refunds the coin. And that's,
I'm showing this the service line.
so we have a service loop running behind it as well. So this is our service board. Behind here we have, it's a bit hard to get. Okay. We have 3 temperature sensors, and it takes an average of all 3 because one wasn't the accurate. So we've taken all 3, and also it's connected to the IR sensor in the actuator 2 spot. Tells you how much product we have. Right now we can see the product is full, but if Josh, if you want to take out some balls,
It'll go to a low product.
product is low, and if all the balls are removed, no product, and the RS232
We'll start
will logging.
And we can do the same with temperature as well.
Once the temperature, for this condition, once the temperature reaches over 30 degrees, it'll log to the RS232. But for a cooling machine, so if we had like soft drinks or chocolates, we'd obviously have to have the temperature below 10. So therefore, it'd be more accurate to use the temperature sensor. We just decided to use it here.
So I just changed the temperature value rather than to try to heat these up.
So this is just if the temperature's over 10 degrees, you change it to 10,
Yeah.
then it will log. And as we can see
Okay.
again, okay, that's our machine.